Hi guys, part two. Let's talk about lockable and unlockable carabiner. So this go with your needs. So if you want to use a not lockable carabiner, that can be to carrying stuff from your belt to example your water bottle, your equipment. I will not use it for something that requires safety. They're rated as the same. It just by definition, it's the rope can slip off. You have the normal one that you need to screw and unscrew to open it, depending on your needs. It's something that can some time to open and not open if you do performances. That can be something to think about. You have a new type that appeared a couple years ago. It's the magnetic one. So by a pinch, you can open it, close it. It's always locked. It's kind of easy to manipulate, so it's not difficult to learn. You have the safety one, so they're normally a little bit more heavy, they're in steel, and you need to do two action to open it, so twist and open. And you have the one from Rock Exotica that is three action to open, say down, twist, open. So it's go depend with your needs and how your agility and the speed required to open or close the carabiner, if it's important or not. I wish you have enjoyed this little introduction to lockable carabiner. Have a good day, guys.